Hello everyone and welcome to Tripp's Art Class. Today we have another art book review. This is a popular book. It is called Drawing and Cartooning for Laughs, and it is by the famous Jack Hamm. Now these are go-to books for classic cartoonists. Jack Hamm was a very talented cartoonist and a very talented teacher as well through his books. So Drawing and Cartooning for Laughs. This is a book that I would encourage anyone who likes to do cartoony styled comics, comic strips, or memes, or anything like that. If you like to draw your own, this is a good book to get. It has that retro style to it that I just love, and it just hits every aspect. Now, this book I ordered on Amazon, and I feel like it was, it's not used, but it's old. Like the paper kind of looks old. So I don't know if this is still in print or what, or if they just had this one on a bookshelf for a while. But as you can see, lots of stuff here. If you love pen and ink and cartoons and comics, this is a book for you, man. Like, I am so glad I purchased this book. It's one of those where if I ever just want to draw something for fun and not have to think about it, I open up this book for references. Plus the tips here that he gives are amazing. They are very helpful. This is one of those books where you definitely don't want to skip out on reading the text. It is actually very helpful. It's like he's right here next to you telling you how to draw and giving you very, very helpful tips that are very, very down to earth. So on Tripp's Art Class, for these art book reviews, what I do is I just flip through every page of the book. It's on YouTube, so if you want to pause during any page and get a better look at it, you can do that on your own. If you want to slow it down, you can do that as well. But before you go out and you buy this book and spend your hard-earned money, I want to let you all see what you're getting, and this is a book that I would highly recommend getting, have it on your shelf, having it be a good reference book for maybe future projects. I feel like a lot in cartooning is definitely not gone. There's a lot of people that are doing fun things like this, especially with webtoons. The comic strip isn't completely dead. It just has taken a different form and is now posted online in different ways. So there we go, all types of neat stuff. Look at that hatching. So you can see a good sense of value right there. Almost kind of reminds me of some classic Mad magazines as well. Almost Spy versus Spy. Kind of has that style to it. And that is it. Okay, we'll go ahead and show you how thick it is. So Drawing and Cartooning for Laughs by Jack Hamm. Definitely one to have on your bookshelf. If you like videos like these, if you like checking out art books, go ahead and subscribe and like, and I'll go ahead and make some more. So thank you very much for hanging out today at Tripp's Art Class. We'll catch you later.